In this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin on WhatsApp group. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp and then open up a group where you are an admin. Then, right here, tap at group name and here scroll down until you find participants box. Here, if you want to add an admin to your group, first you have to invite that person to your group. You can hit right there at add participants and then select a person from your contacts. You can just check mark some of them, let it be in that one, and then hit on add. And once the person is in group, now you can make them an admin. All you have to do is right here at participants, hit at that person's name and right there tap at make group admin, and now that person marked as admin here and it moves to the very top of that list. At the first place you can always find your account and you can find other admins also here at the top position under your main account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.